अस्सलामु अलैकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज के लेसन में हम मौसम के बारे में बोले जाने वाले आसान और डेली यूज होने वाले इंग्लिश जुमले सीखेंगे। अगर आप रोजाना की गुफ्तगू में कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ मौसम के बारे में इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बेहतरीन है। तमाम जुमले बहुत आसान हैं और रोजमर्रा जिंदगी में इस्तेमाल होते हैं, इसलिए वीडियो आखिर तक जरूर देखिए। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेदर। The weather is very nice today. It is very hot today. It is very cold today. The weather is pleasant today. It is sunny today. It is cloudy today. It is raining. It is raining heavily. It is drizzling. It is windy. The wind is strong. The sky is clear. The sky is cloudy. It is humid today. It is dry today. The weather is cool today. The weather feels pleasant today. I like this weather. I like cold weather. I like hot weather. I like the rain. I like sunshine. It is a good day to go outside. Take an umbrella today. The weather is changing. It looks like it will rain. It looks like the sun will come out. The sky looks beautiful today. The weather is much better today. How was the weather yesterday? How is the weather today? How will the weather be tomorrow? The weather is normal today. It feels very hot outside. It feels very cold outside. The wind is cool. The sun is very bright. The rain has stopped. The rain has just started. The clouds are clearing. It is a lovely day. It is nice outside today. The weather is good for traveling. The weather is perfect for a walk. I am happy with the weather. I hope the weather stays nice. The weather changed suddenly. Today's weather is very comfortable. Let's enjoy the weather. The weather feels wonderful. It is quite cool outside today. It is very hot outside today. The weather was very nice this morning. The evening weather is pleasant. The night is quite cool. It is foggy today. I can't see very far. The sky is completely blue today. The clouds are very dark today. It looks like a storm is coming. It may start raining at any time. It is a good day to go out. It is better to stay at home today. The wind is blowing gently. The weather is very calm today. The weather changes everyone's mood. I like the morning weather. I really like the evening weather. The weather became pleasant after the rain. I like today's weather. The weather changes every day. The weather is just right today. We should wear clothes according to the weather. Let's enjoy the beautiful weather. आज की वीडियो देखने का बहुत शुक्रिया। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई और इससे कुछ सीखने को मिला, तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। आप अगली वीडियो किस टॉपिक पर देखना चाहते हैं, हमें कमेंट्स में जरूर बताएं। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। खुदा हाफिज।